Hi and welcome, I am here today with Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite and I'll be showing you how to change your lock screen wallpaper. So first off, tap anywhere on the screen and hold it for a while. Nice, now tap on wallpaper. Let's choose anything actually. Let's go with this shot. Tap on apply and then set as lock screen. Lock screen wallpaper applied. Now if we lock our phone and try to unlock it, as you can see, the lock screen wallpaper has changed. And that's everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.